3 effective techniques to relax the infraspinatus muscle. The first technique: press along 3 lines on the infraspinatus muscle. Line 1. From the meridian acupoint, also known as the sleeping acupoint, press the infraspinatus. Line 2. From the Fenchi acupoint, press the infraspinatus. Line 3. 1 inch lateral to the vertebra prominence, press the infraspinatus. Be careful not to press on the shoulder bones. The second technique to relax the infraspinatus muscle. Use both thumbs to alternately flick outwards. From the shoulder to the neck, flick upwards. Remember to always flick upwards from the bottom. After flicking the whole area, the shoulders will not feel so tense. A very sore and relaxed technique. The third technique to relax the infraspinatus muscle. Use both thumbs alternately, with a twisting motion to pinch and pick up. The entire infraspinatus can be well relaxed. Then use both palms to stretch the infraspinatus. The neck area also needs to be done. After stretching the entire infraspinatus, do downward strokes to finish up.